Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to Dodani Dhabdaba. It is located in Dodani village near Gadeshwar Dam, Panvel. On the way you will get Gadeshwar temple, which is Lord Shiva temple. Now we are heading towards our destination Dodani waterfall. In between Dodani waterfall, we can have Gadeshwar temple and then we will have Gadeshwar dam. You can enjoy both places while coming. Like other Konkan region, Panvel also comes under Konkan and you can enjoy a nice lush greenery while going to Dodani waterfall. On weekends, means Saturday and Sunday, try to come here early morning before 9 because due to COVID reason, police will not allow you to go to the Gadeshwar Dam and Dodani waterfall. So try to come early in the morning. You can see the beautiful view of Gadeshwar Dam. You can have nice snaps while going to the Dodani waterfall. After Gadeshwar Dam, you will find nice bridge and view. And after this bridge, you have to take left for Dodani village. You can ask local villagers. They can also help you. Now we have reached to Dodani village. Now from here you have to take help from local villagers because you will get confused about route. We also confuse and after that we take help from one of the local boy Nandan and then he guided us towards the waterfall. You have to do 30 minutes trek towards Dodani waterfall. Route is nice and easy. In between you will find river and rice farming by local villagers. Guys, after 30 minutes trek, we have finally reached our destination. You can see nice view of waterfall.